In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a word in Google Docs. If you're working in a long document, finding a specific word or phrase quickly can save you a lot of time. Instead of scrolling through page after page, Google Docs has a simple built-in search tool that helps you jump straight to what you need. This is especially useful when you're editing, reviewing notes, or checking repeated terms in a document. To get started, open your Google Doc and press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut opens the search function right away, so it's the fastest way to begin. If you use this often, it's a great shortcut to memorize because it works in many other apps and web pages too. As soon as you press Ctrl+F, a small search box will appear in the top right corner of your Google Docs window. This box is where you'll enter the word or phrase you want to look for. It stays visible while you search, making it easy to refine your results or move through the document without losing your place. Next, type the word or phrase you want to find into that search box. Try to enter it exactly as you expect it to appear in the document. You can search for a single word, part of a sentence, or even a repeated phrase. This is helpful if you're looking for a name, a topic, a heading, or a specific detail buried somewhere in the file. Once you type your search term, Google Docs will automatically highlight all matching results in the document. This makes it easy to spot every place where that word or phrase appears. One match will usually be selected as the current result, while the others remain highlighted so you can see how often it shows up and where it appears throughout the document. To move through the matches, use the up and down arrows in the search box. These arrows let you jump from one result to the next without manually scrolling and searching with your eyes. This is especially helpful in longer documents where the same term may appear many times. Just keep clicking the arrows until you find the exact instance you want, and that's all there is to it. With Ctrl+F, the search box, highlighted matches, and the navigation arrows, you can quickly locate any word or phrase in Google Docs and work much more efficiently.